I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Every day you greet your children with a smile upon the face. Though paperwork the night before seemed like an exhausted race. Money is not your intention, it's the love for what you do. You hear that special calling to which you'll always say true.
Your students are your dedication. Devotion is to them. To you, each child is unique and special. A beautiful little gem.
Some days are demanding and frustration takes its course. Then you see those little faces, their inspiration is your force.
Each day you are in your classroom reminds why you are there, making the difference in the children's lives with whom your earth you share.
There is a special pride in teachers and a love for what you do, and appreciation is always shared between those little lives and you.
There is a saying that the teachers are greater than parents. Parents provide a birth to a child, whereas the teacher molds the child's personality and provide a bright future.
Thank you, teacher, for being my life's role model. When I consider all you have taught me and reflect on the kind of person you are, I want to be like you.
Informed and easy to understand, thinking with your heart as well as your head, gently nudging us to do our best.
Sensitivity and insight. I want to be like you, giving your time, energy and talent to ensure the brightest possible future for each of us. Thank you, teacher, for giving me a goal to shoot. I want to be like you.
I feel extremely lucky that I have you as a teacher. Here wishing you a happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are the building blocks of our lives. They act as parents to all students.
The best teacher, teacher from the heart, not from the book. Thank you for being the wonderful teacher for me.
Happy Teachers' Day. Teaching is one of the professions that creates all other professions. Thank you for helping me, the person I am today. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day. A teacher nourishes the soul of a child for a lifetime. A teacher presents the past, reveals the present and creates the future.
Teachers, you have always challenged me to work hard and get good grades. I will always remember you. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, teachers, for making my world so perfect.
Happy Teachers' Day. The best teacher don't give you an answer. They spark the desire to find the answer yourself.
Happy Teachers' Day. I am grateful to be your student and thank you for challenging me in doing my best and instilling me in a passion of learning. Thank you.
Teachers are those who show us the correct path and lead us in life, providing us with the light of righteous path. Thank you.
You have led us towards the path we should follow in life. You have opened our minds, touched our hearts and souls. You did everything to make your class fun and exciting. We have learned so many things from you all. Thank you for helping us to be a better person and thank you for all your guidance and love. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. Thank you, teachers, for being with us whenever we needed you and for making us whatever we are. We really are grateful for your intense love and care towards us. Today, we all wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.